Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we will study about two synthetic fiber, that is nylon and polyester. Nylon. Nylon was the first synthetic fiber produced by human. It was the first non-cellulosic fiber produced by using coal, water and air. Now let us study about properties of nylon. If we are talking about properties of nylon, nylon is very strong and elastic. It is very light and wrinkle resistance, water resistance, durable and dries quickly. नायलॉन बहुत ज़्यादा ताक मजबूत, फैलावदार, हल्का, सिकुड़न रहित और लंबे समय तक चलने वाला फैब्रिक है. Now let us talk about uses of nylon. Nylon is used for making rope, fishing net, packing materials, swimwear, umbrellas, parachute, toothbrush, socks, etc. The strong and elastic property of nylon make it feasible for preparing ropes, fishing nets and packing material. Moreover, it absorbs very less water, that means it is water resistance. That's why nylon fabric is used for preparing swimwear, because while swimming very frequently and for long time our costume absorb water. But one of the specific property of nylon that it is water resistance, it make it feasible to last long. That's why it is also called durable. Due to less water absorbing ability, nylon is used for making swimwear and umbrellas. It is used for making toothbrush due to same property which we studied earlier, that it is water resistance. By coming in contact of water frequently, it do not get spoiled. It lasts long. Now let us talk about next fiber, that is polyester. Polyester is made up of repeating ester unit. The most commonly used polyester is terylene. Terylene is often blended with other natural fiber to enhance the properties of natural fiber also, to develop more comfort to us. For example, terrycoat is a blended fiber of polyester. Here, terylene and cotton are mixed. Similarly, terry wool is a blend of terylene and wool. These fibers are formed by mixing two or more fiber. Blended fibers have improved and better characteristics and properties than the fiber which they are made of. If we talk about properties of polyester, polyesters are elastic, strong, wrinkle resistance. Due to its wrinkle resistance property, polyester is used for making clothing items such as pant, coat, dressing material, shirt, suit, etc., which we need not to iron again and again. Polyester is used for making PET. PET, this abbreviation denote polyethylene terephthalate, which is used to make bottles and utensils. You might have observed the water bottles you are using nowadays to refrigerate water. Many times it is mentioned over it PET. That means those plastic material are made up of polyethylene terephthalate, which is specifically used for making bottles and utensils. Thank you. Your homework is to prepare a note and revise it well.